Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equals 2 theta, angle BCA equals theta, AB equals x, BC equals 2x, and CA equals x plus 1. The goal is to find x. And now for the solution. Let P be on AC such that BP bisects angle ABC. So angle ABP equals angle PBC equals theta. Since angle PBC equals angle BCP equals theta, triangle PBC is isosceles, so PB equals PC. Let PB equals PC equals A, then AP equals x plus 1 minus A. Next, consider triangle ABP and triangle ACB. We claim that triangle ABP is similar to triangle ACB. Since angle ABP equals angle ACB equals theta, and this angle is common to both triangles, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have BP over CB equals AB over AC equals AP over AB, or A over 2x equals x over x plus 1 equals x plus 1 minus A over x. From A over 2x equals x over x plus 1, we have A equals 2x squared over x plus 1. From x over x plus 1 equals x plus 1 minus A over x, we have x squared over x plus 1 equals x plus 1 minus A. Substituting A equals 2x squared over x plus 1, we obtain x squared over x plus 1 equals x plus 1 minus 2x squared over x plus 1. Multiplying both sides by x plus 1 gives x squared equals x plus 1 whole square minus 2x squared. After expanding the brackets and simplifying, we arrive at the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, with a equals 2, b equals minus 2, and c equals minus 1, gives us two possible solutions. S equals 1 plus minus square root 3 over 2. Since s is greater than 0, we have s equals 1 plus square root 3 over 2, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.